Give me to help you, Taylor. Let's see what we got here.
Wait a minute, is this one for you?
Yeah.
I think so.
That's from, yeah.
Oh, okay, just making sure. Yeah, go ahead and open it, Dee.
Taylor and Cameron.
DJ, did you show them what Santa Claus brought you?
Get out the way.
Here you go, Taylor.
She's like,
Abby!
Whoops.
Taylor's like raising her hand like,
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Cameroon. Cameroon.
Crystal, I did my best to fulfill your wish.
Just my size.
Crystal told me she wanted the old-fashioned Christmas where she had 20 million gifts.
Cameroon from
I'll help her.
Mimi.
That's for me.
This is?
Yeah.
Not from us?
Well, us.
I mean, after all the shopping I did on them? Okay.
My goodness.
Oh, and look, there's some pants to go with it. In fact, there's money.
Look what you got. That is awesome, Dee.
This one's driving.